Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Alhamdulillahi wassalatu wassalamu ala rasulillah wa ala alihi wa sahbihi wa mawala wa la hawla wa la quwata illa billah amma ba'du. Good morning everyone.
Good morning, Miss.
How are you today?
Alhamdulillah, we are fine. How about you, Miss?
Alhamdulillah, I'm feeling great today. Nice to see you again today, yeah? So who hasn't joined this meeting yet?
Keisha, Najwa, Naura,
Keisha,
Najwa, Naura, Sheila.
So many, yeah? Keisha, there are four, yeah? Yes. 4 students miss in this classroom. Okay, let's start our meeting by reciting basmalah together.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
So, Sun. What do you think? Sun is the center of the solar system. Is it correct?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
But I will tell you a history about our universe, about how humans understand the universe. Yeah? So when you have a difference between Quran and science, you have to put Quran first. Yeah? You have to put Quran first. You have to believe Quran first rather than science. So you learn faster. Maybe 2 of you find the information from the second card, and 2 others have the picture and stick it. Yeah. Just put it here. If you get confused with the picture, you can find it by the size. Yeah, which one is the tiniest? Which one is the bigger than the other? Yeah, find it from the size. Who find the information from the card? Both of you. And 2 others take the picture. Okay. Is there any yeah. Who the worksheet? You can have the same answer in the group. You can have your answer 3. As long as you discuss about the answer together. Because it's a teamwork, you have to have the same answer. Yeah, harmonize like. You just need to. Venus. There is subtract, right? Subtract. Planets are in our solar system. A. What is the closest planet? Mercury. What planet has the most rings? Saturn. What planet is the hottest planet in our solar system? Venus. What planet is the coldest? Can you mention about one satellite that we have? One and only satellite? Okay. Thank you so much for today's amazing discussion. Hopefully you can understand the topic, yeah? And don't forget to find the answer, the reason why Pluto is no more considered as a planet. Let's close our meeting by reciting Hamdalah and Doa Kafaratul Majelis. Alhamdulillah.